This video will show you how to replace your fresh air filter and water filter of your LG Signature refrigerator. We recommend that you replace the fresh air filter approximately every 6 months, when the fresh filter light blinks, or when the replace filter icon is displayed. To replace the fresh air filter, first pull out the fresh air filter cover. If you see the wire harness from the filter compartment, do not worry, this is completely normal. Release the filter by pushing outward the black tabs surrounding the filter and remove the old filter. To install a new filter, insert the side tabs of the new filter into the slots of the central cover compartment. It will help to push the filter so it snaps into place. Make sure that the front text on the filter is facing you. Then, snap the cover back onto the filter compartment. And finally, push and hold the fresh filter button for 3 seconds to reset the fresh filter light. We recommend that you replace the water filter approximately every 6 months, when the water filter indicator blinks, when the water dispenser output decreases, or when the ice cubes are smaller than normal. To remove the old water filter, lift up and remove the lower door bin. Swing the right end of the water filter out of the compartment. Grab the filter and rotate it counterclockwise to remove it from the filter head. Insert the new filter into the filter head and rotate it clockwise until the arrow of the new filter lines up with the arrow of the filter head. Swing the filter back into the compartment and assemble the door bin. And finally, push and hold the water filter button for 3 seconds to reset the water filter light.